what kinds of things do you want students to get out of those BMT classes? Do you feel like they've been successful in your class if they come out knowing?
Yeah, and it's of course they're individual classes, but if I could lump them together and talk about skill sets that they're interested in students developing, would be things like problem solving. And so in some of the specific classes, like Amber was in a quality continuous improvement class, a BMT class, and they were working on very specific problem solving tools. And then in the management class, we're looking at some of the application of problem solving and how it extends into other management activities. And so there's a problem solving thread where we're trying to prepare students. Then the software class prepares them to use software as an enabler to even, meaning with the software, to produce things like Pareto diagrams and control charts and things like that, the tools that you'd use in problem solving. So really works that we're looking for like a skill sets across the program. And so problem solving would be one. We've made a recent commitment to developing what we're calling Excel across the program. Very specific spreadsheet skills that students would accumulate and then apply in the other BMT classes. So it's across the curriculum. They'll get very specific, just Excel, but then application skills in Excel. Another is communication, also one that's then coming up as we're developing, and that we're talking about written business communication, because we have a class in that, but then something that then goes across other classes, report writing, letter writing, reports would be fine, but components of reports and things like that. Things that supervisors have to be able to do to communicate both down, across, and up in the organization. And then the last one is maybe the one that's going to get the most pushback from students is data analysis.
Oh, yeah.
Have to be able to use numbers to actually solve problems, to plan, to organize, and really even at the supervisory level to make good decisions. And organizations are more willing to move projects and responsibility to supervisors that can use quantitative skills to make decisions and run their departments or things like that.